Assalamualaikum and good morning, madam. So today we would like to present our mini project one for the subject full stack web development. Our project title is Campus Marketplace System. So this is a web-based system developed using PHP, MySQL, HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. So the purpose of this system is to help students buy and sell items easily within the campus. So my name is Nurabla Najwa binti Masri Zamzuri and my matrix number is F1350. And now I will explain the introduction and the objectives of our project. As we all know, nowadays, many students they want to sell used items such as books, clothes, gadgets, or any study materials. So, however, there is no specific platform for students inside the campus because most students they use social media, which is pretty much not organized and less secure. So therefore, we developed the campus marketplace system which allows students to register, log in, and manage their products in one platform. So the objectives of our project is to develop a secure registration and login system. So it is to make sure that users feel safe using our system without thinking that their personal details will get leaked. To allow students to add and manage products, implement group functions, which is create, read, update, and delete, connect system with MySQL database, is to keep their data, and also create a user-friendly interface. So that is all from me. Now I'll pass to my other teammates to continue the presentation.
For system feature overview, the system provides essential functional for managing products and user access. User can register and log in securely with session control. Once logged in, user can add, view, edit, and delete products, giving full control over product management. The system also includes a responsive user interface, ensuring it works smoothly across devices. Overall, it focuses on security, usability, and efficiency product management. For database design overview, the system uses a database called Marketplace with two tables, user and products. The user table store information include ID, full name, username, and password for authentication. For the product table, store product details such as ID, product name, price, and description. Is also include a user ID, which link each product to user who create it. The relationship ensure that every product is associated with a specific user, supporting proper data organization and ownership.
Hi, I'm Yashota, and I'll be talking about um, the features, security features, and the user interface of our system. Okay, I'll start off with an analogy. So, in our system, security is very important because we are handling user accounts and personal data. So, to make it easy to understand, we can imagine our system as in like CAMSIS. So, the students there, they are like the resident, or every user is like the students there or the residents, and we must make sure that no outsider can break in, they can't invade in, and only correct person can enter, and no other outsiders can steal information. So we'll start with the first one, password hashing. So we use password underscore hash bracket, and instead of storing the real password, we convert those into a hidden code. So it's like locking your password in a safe box. Password is already like a lock, but we have like a secondary lock to it. So even if someone like managed to hack the database, they wouldn't be able to see the real password. Okay, next we'll go for password verification. We use password underscore verify bracket. So this basically checks whether the password entered by the user is correct or not. So it's like a security card that validates or checks your ID card before like letting you inside the building. Third, we have prepared statement. So this basically prevents something called SQL injection. So you can imagine like someone trying to trick the system by typing something dangerous of instead of a normal input. So prepared statement acts like a filter machine. You can say like it's a filter machine. So it only allows safe and valid data into it. Okay, next. The fourth one we have preventing the XSS. So we use cross-site scripting, or also known as the XSS. So the protection is by using the HTML special class bracket. So this analogy is like you clear everything before bringing stuff inside the house, something like that. So in return, you have no harmful code that can be displayed on the website. All right. Then the fifth one we have session authentication, and we use sessions specifically to control the access. So after you log in, the system gives you like a temporary passcode. So as long as you have that pass, you can access the dashboard or you can manage the products. But whatever it is, without the passcode, you can't enter. You can't do anything. Yeah. Okay. Now I'll be explaining the UI, also known as the user interface. This element plays a very major role because they are the one that's going to be the key element to facilitate uh, the activity of the user. So they make user life easier. Their purpose is to make user life easier. So therefore, it shouldn't be complex. So we designed our system to be simple, yet modern, yet user friendly. So over here we used Bootstrap. It's for layout and responsiveness. Then we use Sweet Alert for pop-up messages. Then we use gradient color theme for just for a better visual appeal. And our designing concept here is that we designed it some sort like a mini online shopping app, for instance, Shopee. So in this case, user can see the products clearly, and they could easily navigate or quickly perform actions. And we also have card layouts, and instead of showing the data like the boring tables, we decide in a way like, oh, we could use card layouts. So why? Because cards are much more modern looking and they're much more easy to read because it's very much straightforward, and it highlights each product clearly. So we also added pop-up notifications for success and errors. We have clear buttons and we have a very smooth navigation. So in this case, user will not feel confused when they're using the system. So overall, our system is not only functional, but they are also secure, and like I said, user friendly before this, and pretty much visually attractive. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi madam. My name is Nur Batrisha binti Syafiq Anwar. My metric number is 21 DIT 24F1030. So nanti saya akan buat video untuk demo sistem yang kami telah buat. Sistem yang kami telah buat untuk mini project ni. So sistem ni nama dia Campus Marketplace. Bila kita masuk sistem ni, first yang kita akan nampak tajuk dia dengan register. So kita kena register dulu. Masukkan nama, lepas tu username kita, lepas tu password. Lepas tu tekan register. So dia akan pop up macam tu, successful. Lepas tu kita masukkan balik username yang tadi tu. Then kita log in kan dia. So dia akan pop up juga. Lepas tu dekat sini dekat sini dashboard yang kami telah bina. So dekat sini kita macam kita dah nampak dia ada pandai semua ni. So kalau kita nak ni, kita tekan add product. So kita letak. Ni kami juga letakkan range harga. Dan kita boleh letak description. Lepas tu kita add dia. So dia akan naik dekat sini. Lepas tu contoh kalau kita rasa macam nak tukar harga. Kita boleh je dekat sini tekan edit. Lepas tu kita tukar. Jadikan dia 30. Lepas tu tekan update. Dan dia akan berubah kat sini. Lepas tu kita rasa macam tak nak jual pula baju tu. Kita boleh tekan delete. Lepas tu bila kita dah settle dekat sini. Kita boleh log out. Okay, itu saja. So the conclusion, the campus marketplace system successfully provide a platform for students to buy and sell product easily. We focus on 4 important things to make this happen. First, we have the CRUD system. This means students can easily add, edit or delete their items whenever they want. Second, we care about safety. That's why we build a secure login so only students can use this platform. Third, all the data is saved perfectly because we have a strong database integration. And finally, we made the interface look nice and clean. We want users to feel happy and comfortable when they use our system. That's all from me. Thank you.